In this video, I'm about to show you how to add music to Shorts on YouTube Mobile. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap the plus icon in the middle of the bottom navigation bar. From the options that appear, make sure to select Create a Short. This will open the recording interface for YouTube Shorts. Now, press and hold the red button in the center of the screen to start recording your shorts. Release the button when you're done recording. Once you've finished recording, tap on the tick icon to proceed to the editing screen. At the top of this screen, tap on Add Sound to browse YouTube's music library. Here, you'll find a variety of songs and audio clips to choose from. Browse or use the search bar to find the song you want, then tap on it to select it. Once you've added the music, tap Next to move to the final screen. Now, tap Upload Short to publish your video. You'll see a progress bar as it uploads. After the upload is complete, you can tap on the short to view it and check that the music has been edited correctly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.